Hello friends, welcome to second session. Today we are going to be understand the syllabus of applied science physics. The course code is 22202 22202. Name of subject is applied science. The rationale to study of concept and principle of science like elasticity, viscosity, surface tension, motion, thermocouples, photosensors, lasers, X-rays. These are all components we have to going to be understand. Competency to solve broad-based engineering problems using principles of advanced physics and chemistry. Course title, that is applied science physics. We have to introduce the subject of physics. Course code 22202. Course outcome, that is first course outcome, that is select relevant material industry by analyzing its physical properties. Second course outcome, that is apply laws of motions in various applications. Third, use lasers, X-rays and photoelectric sensors. We have to going to understand these all three course outcomes with the help of some contents. The question paper design, so like this, we have to distribute this entire syllabus in 3 units. First unit, that is the properties of matters and NDT, non-destructive testing. The weightage of this unit is 14 marks. Second unit, types of motions. The weightage of this unit is 10 marks. And third unit is photoelectricity, X-ray and laser. The weightage of this unit is 11 marks. So the entire syllabus is in 35 marks. So first unit, the content we have to going to understand. The unit of first is properties of matters and non-destructive testing. That is in 14 marks. The major learning outcome, that is in cognitive domain. You have to see on the screen. We are not going to be briefly, just you have to see on the screen. Explain concept of elasticity and plasticity, relation between types of modulus of elastics, Young's modulus, bulk modulus, modulus of rigidity, and behavior of wire or metallic wire, pressure depth relations, Newton's law of viscosities, Stokes laws, and NDT. What is the features of NDT's non-destructive testing methods? The total detailed syllabus regarding the first unit, that is deforming force. What is deforming force? Restoring force, elasticity. We have to going to understand these entire terms in this first unit. Again, elasticity, plasticity, rigidity, stress and strain and their types. Elastic limit and Hooke's law, types of modulus of elasticity, stress strain diagram, Poisson's ratio, factor affecting elasticity. Second, that is fluid friction, pressure depth relation, Pascal's law, Archimedes principle, viscosity, velocity gradient, Newton's law of viscosity. Again, the effect of temperature of adulteration of viscosity of liquid and so many topics. And again, non-destructive testing. Second unit, that is types of motions. The major learning outcome is equations of motion for the given body moving in the given type of path. Calculate the angular velocity of the given body and Newton's law of motions and work, power, energy and projectile motions also. The detailed content display on the screen. You have to see displacement, velocity, acceleration, and retardation, equations of motion under gravity, angular displacement, momentum, work, power and energy, and projectile motion. These are all the content we have to understand or try to understand in this unit. Last and third unit is the photoelectricity, X-rays and laser for the 11 marks. The major learning outcome is the concept of given parameters of the given materials, the working of given photoelectric devices, the production of X-rays of the given material with the properties and applications of X-rays, lasers, and give the colors of lights and explanation how to laser works. So all these contents we have to understand in these semesters. So third unit, the content of third unit, that is Planck's hypothesis, properties of photons, gain, the LDR principle and working and applications of LDR, production of X-rays, laser properties, absorption, spontaneous stimulated emissions, population inversion, and all other contents also here. In this syllabus, we have to also going on the micro projects. So the list is here now. So the some content we suggested micro project, that is elasticity, on the topic of elasticity, viscosity, motions, photosensor, properties of lasers. These are all the topics included the micro projects. In the elasticity, prepare working model of demonstrate the stress strain behavior, different wire of different thickness and materials. On the topic of viscosity, collect 3 to 5 liquids and prepare the working models to differentiate liquid on the basis of viscosity, and like this. These are the practicals we have to going on performing in these semesters. The first practicals we have to try to understand the sales methods of determine the Young's modulus of given wire. Second one is the apply Archimedes principle to determine the buoyancy force on the solid immersed in liquid. Third, determine the coefficient of viscosity of given liquid by Stokes methods. Fourth experiment, find the downward force along an inclined plane acting on a roller due to the gravity and its relationship with the angle of inclination. Fifth experiment is predict the range of the projectile from the initial launching speed and angle. And the sixth one, find the dependence of this stopping potential on the frequency of light source in the photoelectric effect experiment. Seventh experiment, determine the IV characteristics of photoelectric cell and LDR. And the last one, determine the divergence of laser beam. So we have to going on these practicals. Some websites or softwares to be suggested to understand this content on the screen. Thank you.